Today we're here at SNR. We're going to restock ingredients para sa Dubai Chewy Cookie. Ubus agad yung first batch namin. Diyos ko dahil. Good luck sa mga next batch. Grabe, ubus yung first batch namin. 50 pieces lang naman yun. Pero marami na yun. Okay, let's restock some pistachios. It's dark.
Wala na.
No chocolate powder. Ano yan? Sold out? Lilipat na naman tayong grocery. Now we're going to get butter. Some butter. 4.
Sa eggs.
Wala na.
Try, ma'am, sir.
That's Duncan Hines.
Number value
Chewy
nuggets,
pa.
ma'am, sir. 189 pesos na lang.
Thank you. Ikaw daw magdala.
Saan dito?
Ang hirap naman ang buhay ko. Masarap. Okay na. But we are off to another store kasi kulang yung ibang ingredients. We're going to All You Need. Anong ba natin? Going home, time to make another batch of Dubai Chewy cookie.